Hello everybody, this is Pei-Xin Xie, and today I will be presenting to you guys about the critical issue of ethics. There are three core problems, and the first one would be participation gap, which does not address the fundamental inequalities in young people's access to new media technologies and the opportunities for participation they represent. The second is that it assumes that children are actively reflecting on their media experiences and thus can articulate what they learn from their participation, which is what we call the transparency problem. The third is that it assumes children on their own can develop the ethical norms needed to cope with a complex and diverse social environment one, which is what we call the ethics challenge. Here are some of the NPR guiding principles. NPR is a news organization, and I will be naming a few of its purpose, which would be accuracy, to pursue the truth, fairness, to tell the truest story possible, to be completeness, which is to report thoroughly, and honesty, which is be trustworthy. Moving on to the Boston bombing, which was reported by USA Today regarding a Brown University student who was wrongly tied to this incident. The reason why he was wrongly tied to the Boston bombing is because it was reported by Reddit that the bombing suspect was wearing a baseball cap, and coincidentally, this student was wearing a baseball cap. Eventually, Reddit apologized for the dangerous speculation and stated that they should look at what happened first and do everything they can to help and not hidden crisis situations. Reactions. Just from learning about the Boston bombing incident, I have learned that how social media can have such an impact in one's life. If I were to teach a class in the future, I will teach my students the base principles of ethics such as do not harm, make things better, respect others, be fair, and be loving. This would be the end of my presentation. Thank you guys for watching.